damn, I love the sun. This is the perfect weather for me to work. Okay, now delivering to 842B. I think turning right here is a bit faster. Oh my god. I just don't know how to describe this feeling. Like a feeling of happiness, the sun hitting my eyes, the breeze on my skin, and bringing joy to people. This is really what I truly enjoy doing. Oh, by the way, if you guys have noticed, this very noisy e-bike, I'm back to my Zebra e-bike, and I've been using it slightly lesser now because I borrowed this e-bike to my younger brother and he go and change my handlebar to a straight type handlebar, which I'm not really a fan of because I think it's longer. Don't know, haven't measured it yet. I think it's longer, and I don't know, I'm just not a fan of wider handlebar. Would still prefer the stock handlebar. And we just make one round around 842B. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!